Welcome to the pound for pound best gaming laptop you can buy in 2018. This is the Asus Rog GU501GM, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about this system, from gaming performance, CPU benchmarks, thermal throttling, backlight bleed, everything you could ever want to know. So stick around and let's get into this review right now. The trackpad and keyboard are world class in the system. Has a nice glass feel, nice and clicky. As far as the keyboard goes, you can see that it has different zone lighting. You can control that with the system. I'll show you later. Has a good 1.6 millimeters of travel. Excellent keyboard, one of the best that I've ever used on a Windows laptop. Up here on the top, you can see that it's got quick keys for your volume, mute, microphone, and your control center, which we'll get into right now. So this is your gaming center. This controls everything from your keyboard's lighting to your fan noise. You can also disable your Windows key and trackpad if you'd like, so a lot of cool features in there. As far as the camera goes, this is a 720p potato cam, so if you want to do streaming, I recommend adding an external camera. The build quality on this is second to none. You can see there's zero flex at all on the chassis when I move it around and I try to give it some pressure. On the back, it does have bottom facing firing speakers, great ventilation. You can also upgrade the hard drive and memory with just a couple of screws on the bottom, so it makes it very convenient to be able to do that. And you can see that there's plenty of I/O ports on this system. We'll talk about that in just a minute, but just know that even if you're a VR gamer, you have plenty of ports to be able to handle any of the systems that you want to plug into this. The power adapter is on the left side, which makes it convenient, and it does have a little 90-degree angled barrel pin. On the left-hand side of the unit, you can see that you've got your power jack, HDMI 1.2, 3 USB-Cs, a headphone microphone combo jack, and on the right-hand side, you've got another USB 3.0, a USB-C with Thunderbolt 3, and your Kensington lock. This unit is super lightweight and compact at just 5 pounds, and with the power adapter, it's just a little over 6 pounds. If you do want to add more ports to your system and you have USB-C on any laptop, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can get this unit, and it works great. As far as backlight bleeding goes, I have very minimal backlight bleeding, as you can see here from this test. And as far as viewing angles goes on this 120 Hertz panel, it's fantastic. You can see we don't get any color shifting or bending. So fantastic display for gaming and content creation and consumption. Now I'm going to show you some gaming benchmarks with everything set to maximum on the system. If you want to see more on gaming, I'll leave a link up top here where you can click on that.
Package ready for airdrop. Master GC fight concluded. Fritz X bomb ready.
So the system does stay nice and cool. You can see at its hottest point it gets around 40 degrees Celsius up on the very top, but where your hands are on the keyboard is around 30 degrees, and very low fan noise on this system. You can see here your Unigine Heaven benchmark is, the score is around 2070. Benchmarks don't tell you everything about a system, but these kind of give you a good indication. Your fire strike's over 10,000. Now after running the system and overclocking it for temperatures, you can see that they are all very well maintained as far as cooling goes with the unit. So this should last you for a long time and not worry about it. So the question of the day is this laptop worth it, and would I recommend it? Absolutely. This is my favorite laptop of 2018. It has power, performance, and it's a great value for its cost. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, click that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.